linda wananchi. The presumed and the presidential candidate. I'm talking about Matiang'i, Kalonzo, Rigiji.
No, a strategy is different. I think the team which is running around Linda Wananchi is oppositionary based on Mheshimiwa Sifuna, Babu, Kevali in leadership. Ekaroma idaba muraba ba realizing Raila Odinga sign the coalition. I mean, sign the agreement here, temporary na William Ruto ko make sure a broad-based government ya Jagri. They started meeting with work with Wolinga. That means we are killing multi-party. So it's a very wonderful idea. At some point, Motuga, Chigurupu Jones, the opposition committee, to agree the presidential candidate who will be the running mate, maybe in the minute bangwe, we move ahead. So I'm comfortable. I'm very comfortable.
The team Morano and Sentango Kwanriba, team Morano, basically, yes, they have declared those who are no one's marrying what's for 2027.
Yes. Maybe.
Was it Morano and Onyonka?
Maybe in two we represent ourselves, but there's nothing wrong representing Fred. There's nothing wrong about Kalonzo no running. All opposition, in fact, I even saw two guys represent so there is no contradiction crazy. There's nothing. We are in the opposition. Which will divide at the end of it, we'll enter into a hall 2 months for 1 week. The candidate to look at the data, to discuss to engage abantu baye finally the candidates will move on. Abantu bando kuibanya bateba. Oh, give one of the candidate, we need to know the candidate. Tato liye candidate one gana William Ruto na Dioraro. Ako kolipa kokumi. So unangwaka na utowaka. Kagusikia kecha tuwasikia. Kawaka sundi tuwaweka muli. Na very.
Okay. Senator, no interest yangu watesha sedena wananchi.
Linda wananchi ndege tanga ntoro rongiri kwa tabanga. Pege ndege nige to Ruto ayende wanta. Tore ende mwananchi nsa tobe hamo kutoka ende kura 2027 umuntu turi reti ya rumo tanga ndita suke aruororo no muntu kuruku William Ruto inere agenda yetu ntanga amangana yando kubuli usingo wakirisha turabantu twensi ne timwa ya moto nakundi yodero mupira wana mbali tobegeta ari moto strike mbali chiwinga mbali to waka Santa Maria namba sta to onjo kana kiraje twensi ne timwa ya yendo kio katoka tabanga koto weka 2027 Elena kwitoko rosine yoko rusi William Ruto to change vinto nakundi no ena inima ituno lega no roje no ene tax yoka ngaki e pace ripuye okumero mungina ero tengo mwana no kabiro myo mwalimu lero ga gojo leranga ero sana ro to mero Ruto ga jaga to na chons kende nke igo na tole chitimo chons bito waka endo te tengo akikishirenga onde bwensi okotabanga Ruto nero to gotomaka yo tole timwa ya amangana yande buno mushimi Onyonka awatabi kuchimutua chinga kinjike na ndo toja korangira ndi twikaranje tolenga mitoko bamba na ndi ndi toko likia to ari na kibinda bya ko tukorusika
yes
no nyama lawi abantu baje bakataba ninga onye ntoko bahamu ndoko bwa chakwera lakini toise ko chamo twensi pitu bekamo otoko toma chakwera ka